G'day, I'm Matt Hayden. You know what, guys, I love Italian food, especially fresh pizza. And when it comes from your own oven, which we're lucky enough to have, well, what can I say? It's just magic. Well, the big issues, global warming, carbon emissions, but no one's talking about soil. And Hoselink do a really great product here in their planter bags. Fill it with great organic soil, and you can give back a little bit to your family by growing food from your balconies or from your backyards if they're even tiny. Plus the benefit, fresh herbs on food, it's just magic. When you're conjuring up images of Italy, and in particular pizzas, there are two things that go so well. They are practically joined at the hip, and that is fresh tomatoes and of course, beautiful fresh basil. These two foods are a match made in heaven, so I've always got plenty available for the kitchen. Like tomatoes, basil love a great well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine. Today I'm going to harvest a whole bunch of basil to make a cracking pesto. And just one little tip if you're growing basil, just pinch out the ends because it tends to make this basil branch out and thicken up. And you want a nice clump inside your bags. Basil's pretty good at telling you when it needs a drink as it tends to wilt and fall over. So listen to your plant signals. Little secret tip for pesto, add some fresh lemon. It adds that bit of zing to it. Today I'm really keen to share with you a simple vegetarian pizza recipe. The first step is to make our pesto. Take a bunch of basil and add it to the food processor along with half a cup of Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, and a handful of pine nuts, and 2 or 3 cloves of chopped garlic, plus a good squeeze of lemon. Slowly add the oil until emulsified. Whiz it all up. Now let's roll out our dough. You can make it beforehand, or of course you can buy it from most supermarkets. First I want to just dust this off, so grab some of that flour. And then I want to get some coarser Semolina flour. That's important because it acts like little roller balls. Throw your pizza dough straight onto it. It's ready to go. Spread the base with pesto, then add your slices of tomato and mozzarella on top. Okay, it's time to whack it into the oven. In a wood-fired pizza oven like this one, it'll take 3 to 5 minutes at best, but a regular oven, it'll take about 10 minutes. Make sure you crank up the heat though in that oven. Yummo, take a look at this. Fresh pesto, you can't beat it. Tomato, and of course our hero of the day, if you can get through all that sticky cheese that is basil. Wow, I hope you enjoy this.